Well, President Obama has made health care reform one of his top priorities and a big part of his budget reform. Joining us today, the acting Surgeon General, Rear Admiral Stephen Galson, and U.S. Navy medical doctor and former reality television star from The Bachelor, Dr. Andy Baldwin. Their focus today is on childhood obesity. Welcome to both of you.
Welcome.
Great to be here.
What are you doing to change things? Because we hear the same things over and over. Too many video games, recess being dropped from schools. What can you do?
We started an initiative last year, Healthy Youth for a Healthy Future. I've been to 36 states so far. We're talking about the importance of every single member of our communities around the country doing their part. Parents, teachers, state and local government officials. Kids need to learn how to eat well, learn how to do more physical activity, learn how to stay healthy, and then look at the good role models of our parents, our teachers, and get themselves activated. We also need policy changes around this country to make it easier for our young people to eat well and to get more physical activity, more sidewalks, more playgrounds, time to do this sort of activity in school.
You all obviously have a big operation that you want to see really making a difference in the lives of kids, because those habits start so young. But along with that and all this other talk we have of healthcare reform and other things, do you think it's going to be worked in somewhere? I mean, the budget, there are so many different priorities. We have issues with, we don't have a Health and Human Services Secretary named yet.
Well, the President and the First Lady, they care, passionately about the physical fitness and health of our country, and so does Admiral Galson, our Surgeon General.
Yeah, prevention has to be part and parcel of healthcare reform. That's my hope. I know that's the hope of many experts around the country and many in the government as well.
You mentioned schools and teachers being involved here. Are you concerned about items like school lunches, the fact that kids don't have recess and playtime, many of them? Do you think those are real changes that could happen?
They're very, very important. School districts, parents, teachers are stepping up to the plate all around the country, improving the food that's served in lunchrooms. The federal government has a role here, too, in making it possible for lower priced food to be healthy and be available in the school lunches. Same thing with physical activity. We've got to get our kids moving in the school day.
How do you get them away from Wii and
PlayStation? It's all about moving, Shannon. And, that's what I love about Surgeon General Admiral Galson, is that he's not just talking the talk, he's walking the walk. And when he asked me to join in as a Navy doctor and as a triathlete, I said, absolutely, sir. And we've been traveling the country, and it's all about stressing the physical activity guidelines that the federal government has rolled out. And it's simple, 60 minutes per day for kids and adolescents. And then for adults like us, a minimum of 2.5 hours of physical activity a week. And this is everything from going on a hike with your family, playing basketball, it's March Madness time, swimming, running, just getting up and doing jumping jacks, jumping rope, whatever it takes. If you're out moving, not only do you feel better, but it gives you an opportunity to spend time with your family. So everybody back there watching TV right now, it's Sunday afternoon.
After this show is over, then you can think about getting out there for some more physical activity.
The Surgeon General has a very special commitment and challenge that he would like to issue. I've taken his challenge, and we'd also appreciate and like to tell Americans out there what they can do, their part. They can step up and be role models for healthy youth for a healthy future. And, sir, if you'd like to tell them about that.
Well, we've got a pledge. It's on our website, surgeongeneral.gov. It's a pledge that just demonstrates commitment. Parents can take it, families can take it, communities can take it. We've got it here, and we want you to sign it, Shannon. It's the Surgeon General's pledge to help prevent childhood overweight and obesity. You pledge to be a role model by making healthy choices for yourself, help children be physically active through everyday play and participation in sports, and to support children's eating habits. A healthy future is our gift to our children.
All right.
Ready to sign?
I will
to all
sign.
of you watching throughout the country, please email the Surgeon General at surgeon.general@hhs.gov. We want to see you signing this pledge. We want to see you being active. Again, that's surgeon.general@hhs.gov.
All right. Thank you both for coming in.
Thank you.
We appreciate the work that you're doing. We wish you great success with the mission.
So what do you say we take a break with some push-ups?
I think that's great.
I'm going to stay out of it and let the gentleman do some push-ups.
Across the country.
Right. You can do this if you're at home right now and you're not in high heels and a skirt. You can also start doing push-ups, or you can if you're there. We'll leave it to the gentlemen, to the experts. We'll let them have their push-up off. Thank you, gentlemen. Well, a critical film about Hillary Clinton is headed